Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the second day of December 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. This is a trade taken in the room by myself and others live. So here's the recreation. We're looking at S&P 500. A lot of time we use the NASDAQ, but today we were a little bit up in the velocity, so we could switch over to a slower moving market, which is the S&P 500. All right, so the situation basically is the same as it always is with us. We look for our strong candle indicator, which is this green arrow right over the 50 of the day. So we came down here and failed at the 50 of the day, got this beautiful strong candle going in the opposite direction, and it says go ahead and take that in the direction that we want to trade. So I look up here at the PVI. It looks like I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 17 and 22 ticks in length. So we'll look at our ATM, and we're going to pair that. So we're going to go for 4s, 8s, and 16s. And that's a little bit low, but that's what we did in the room. So that's the one we're going to take. So we'll go ahead. We're going to go long. We're already 20 seconds into the candle. We had a very nice retrace. We'll go over the top of the current candle for our entry point. And we're looking for 4s, 8s, and 16s. And here we go. Once we get picked up in the trade, we can first thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. Wait for our first target to be hit. Once that does, we'll anything. We're going to de-risk the trade. So there we go. First target's out. Now our stop is at. Notice it's not on our entry point. It's on. It's a few ticks behind. 3 ticks behind. So if the market comes back and takes us out at break even, we can go ahead and put another order on if we want and start over again. That way, if the market wants to continue to go short, we won't get picked up, and that's what we're trying to pick. That's what we're trying to pick ourselves up from. So 4s and 8s are out. That's 2 times 4, 1 times 8. That's 16 ticks total, and we are rocking and rolling here, almost to our 16-tick target. I thought it got hit on this candle, and we didn't have to do another one. So that took about a minute and a half to complete and was worth 400 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 400 US dollars in basically 90 seconds, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless, and we'll see you next time.